Did you know that varicose veins are a common condition, with up to 35% of adults in the United States experiencing them at some point in their lives? Yet, this condition makes you uncomfortable and can lead to many unpleasantries. Are you looking for a way to get rid of this ailment and enjoy your life as you should? Well, look no further. In this video, we'll be exploring the world of natural remedies for varicose veins that can help improve their appearance and alleviate symptoms. From herbal remedies to lifestyle changes, we've got you covered. Also, make sure to stay till the end of the video because as a bonus, we'll be sharing with you interesting facts about the vein network in your body that you didn't know about. So sit back, relax, and let's check out the world of natural solutions for varicose veins. Welcome to Wellness Wonders. On this channel, we'll talk about getting healthy utilizing both the conventional Western medicine and the more holistic and integrative approaches advocated by the Eastern medicine tenets. Without further ado, let's dive in. Varicose veins are a common condition that affects millions of people worldwide. They are the result of a malfunction in the valves of the veins, causing blood to pool and the veins to become more swollen and twisted. While the exact cause of varicose veins is not entirely clear, there are several factors that are known to contribute to their development. One of the most significant factors is age. As we age, the veins in our legs lose elasticity and become weaker, making them more prone to becoming varicose. This is because the veins are responsible for carrying blood back up to the heart, and weakened veins are less able to do this efficiently. Genetics is another major factor in the development of varicose veins. If other members of your family have had varicose veins, you may be more likely to develop them as well. This is because genetics can play a role in the strength and structure of your veins. Pregnancy is also a well-known risk for varicose veins. During pregnancy, the amount of blood in the body increases, and the growing fetus puts additional pressure on the veins in the legs, making them more likely to become varicose. This is especially true in the later stages of pregnancy. Gender is another factor that can affect the development of varicose veins. Women are more likely than men to develop varicose veins, due in part to hormonal changes that can affect the structure of the veins. The female hormone estrogen, for example, can weaken vein walls, making them more prone to becoming varicose. Obesity is another risk factor for varicose veins. Carrying excess weight can put additional pressure on the veins in the legs, making them more likely to become varicose. This is especially true if the weight is carried around the abdomen. Prolonged periods of standing or sitting can also increase the risk of developing varicose veins. Jobs that require long periods of standing, such as hairdressers or factory workers, can put additional pressure on the veins in the legs, leading to development of varicose veins. Similarly, jobs that require long periods of sitting, such as office workers, can also increase the risk of developing varicose veins. Injury or trauma to the legs can also damage the veins, leading to the development of varicose veins. This is because the veins are fragile and can be easily damaged by trauma. Poor circulation can also make it more difficult for blood to flow through the veins, leading to the development of varicose veins. This is because the veins rely on good circulation to carry blood back up to the heart. Smoking is also a risk factor for varicose veins. Smoking can damage the blood vessels and increase the risk of developing varicose veins. One thing we know, at least now, is that varicose veins are a common condition that affects many people, particularly women. Now, before they show and are fully blown, there are certain symptoms and warning signs the body gives to show you that trouble is on the way. Let's look at a few in detail. One of the most obvious symptoms of varicose veins is the appearance of swollen, twisted veins that can be seen just below the surface of the skin. These veins can be unsightly and may make you feel self-conscious, especially if they're on your legs or other visible areas of your body. In addition to their appearance, varicose veins can also cause a variety of other symptoms. Many people with varicose veins experience pain or discomfort in the affected area, which can range from a dull ache to a sharp, stabbing sensation. This pain may be more noticeable after long periods of standing or sitting. Swelling is another common symptom of varicose veins. The affected area may feel heavy and swollen, especially towards the end of the day. This is due to the pooling of blood in the veins, which can cause fluid to leak into the surrounding tissue. Some people with varicose veins may also experience cramping or aching in the affected area, especially at night. This can be disruptive to your sleep and can make you feel tired and irritable during the day. Itching and skin changes are also symptoms of varicose veins. The skin around the affected area may become itchy and irritated, and scratching can lead to further skin damage. Over time, varicose veins can cause changes to the skin, including discoloration, thickening, and the formation of ulcers. Restless legs and a feeling of general fatigue or tiredness in the affected area are also common symptoms of varicose veins. These symptoms can affect your quality of life and may make it difficult to carry out everyday activities. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's important to speak to your healthcare provider to discuss your options for treatment. There are a variety of treatments available for varicose veins, ranging from lifestyle changes and compression stockings to minimally invasive procedures and surgery. With proper care and management, varicose veins can be effectively treated, and you can enjoy having relief from your symptoms. Having checked out the causes and symptoms of this condition, it is only fair and expected that we check out the remedies. And for the sake of this video, we'll be paying attention to the natural methods that can help get rid of those varicose veins. Hey guys, if you're interested in exploring natural alternatives to conventional medicine and want to learn more about the power of natural remedies, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. I share videos about different natural health remedies, including tips and techniques for using them safely and effectively. There are several natural remedies that can help to alleviate the symptoms of varicose veins. It's important to note that while these remedies may provide some relief, they are not a substitute for medical treatment, particularly in cases where varicose veins are severe or causing significant discomfort. It's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new treatment regimen. Here are some natural remedies that may help to alleviate the symptoms of varicose veins. First off, regular exercise, particularly low-impact exercises like walking, cycling, and swimming, can help to improve circulation and reduce swelling in the legs. Another great option is the use of compression stockings. These help to improve blood flow in the legs and reduce swelling. They work by putting pressure on the veins, which helps to push blood back toward the heart. You can also imbibe the simple practice of elevating your legs above heart level for 10 to 15 minutes several times a day, which can help to reduce swelling and improve circulation. Next up is dietary changes. A diet that is high in fiber and low in salt may help to reduce the risk of developing varicose veins. Fiber helps to promote healthy digestion and can reduce constipation, which can put pressure on the veins in the legs. Salt, on the other hand, can cause the body to retain water, which can lead to swelling in the legs. And of course, essential oils. Oils such as lavender, cypress, and peppermint may help to improve circulation and reduce inflammation. These oils can be diluted in carrier oils like olive or coconut oil and applied to the affected area. It's probably no news that herbal remedies are also a great option. Herbal remedies have been used for centuries to treat a variety of health conditions, including varicose veins. One of the most commonly used herbal remedies for varicose veins is horse chestnut. Horse chestnuts contain a compound called essin, which has been shown to improve circulation, reduce swelling, and strengthen the walls of veins. Several clinical trials have found that horse chestnut extract can be effective in reducing the symptoms of varicose veins, including pain, swelling, and itching. Butcher's broom is another herb that has been traditionally used to treat varicose veins. Like horse chestnuts, butcher's broom contains compounds that improve circulation and reduce swelling. Some studies have found that butcher's broom extract can be effective in reducing the symptoms of varicose veins. Other herbs that may be beneficial for varicose veins include ginkgo biloba, ginger, and bilberry. Ginkgo biloba has been shown to improve circulation and reduce inflammation, while ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that may help to reduce swelling in the legs. Bilberry contains compounds that improve circulation and strengthen the walls of veins. And some studies have found that bilberry extract can be effective in reducing the symptoms of varicose veins. It's important to note that while herbal remedies may be helpful in reducing the symptoms of varicose veins, they should only be used under the guidance of a healthcare provider. Some herbs can interact with medications or have side effects, so it's important to discuss any herbal remedies you are considering with your healthcare provider before starting treatment. Additionally, herbal remedies should not be used as an absolute substitute for medical treatment in cases where varicose veins are severe or causing significant pain. And now, on to the bonus section. Did you know that if you laid out all the blood vessels in your body end to end, they would stretch for about 60,000 miles? That's like circling the Earth twice. And get this, the smallest veins in your body are called capillaries, and they're so tiny that red blood cells have to travel through them one at a time. Talk about single-file lineups. But here's the kicker. Your heart pumps about 5 liters of blood through your veins and arteries every single minute. That's like your heart beating a human-sized water balloon, except instead of water, it's filled with blood and it's pumping it out like crazy. So next time you're feeling a little lightheaded or dizzy, just remember that your heart is working super hard to pump blood all throughout your body. And if you're feeling really ambitious, go ahead and try to lay out all your blood vessels end to end. And that's it. Thanks for staying till the end. We're sure you've learned a lot. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have suggestions or questions for us. We love to hear from you. Also, make sure to like and share this video with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do so now to get more amazing and informative content. See you next time. Bye.